Can a cop pull you over for an air freshener hanging from your car's rearview mirror? The Supreme Court said yes. This happened to Richard Houghton. Richard was driving through Wisconsin with an air freshener, one of those pine tree air fresheners, on his rearview mirror, and he got pulled over by cops. All because what? He got searched, arrested, and ultimately went to court because a cop didn't know the law. Today, I'm going to show you how one Supreme Court case opened the door for the cops to make legal mistakes, ignorance, in fact, and for you to pay the price. Because now, something as small as an air freshener can lead to a traffic stop, a search, an arrest, or even worse. In 2014, the United States Supreme Court ruled in Hine versus North Carolina that cops can pull you over for a traffic stop based upon a law even if they got the law wrong. Here's what happened. A man named Nicholas Hine was driving through North Carolina. A cop then pulled him over because he said one of his brake lights was out. Now, check this out. The officer believed that was illegal, but under North Carolina law, it actually wasn't illegal. North Carolina law only requires that one of your brake lights is operational. So this should have been an illegal stop, right? Wrong. The Supreme Court ruled that it was true that the officer did make a mistake, but they ruled that the officer's mistake was reasonable. So as long as the mistake was reasonable, the officer could still proceed and the traffic stop was legal. This is what's known in the legal circles as a mistake of law. And in essence, the U.S. Supreme Court created a legal loophole for cops to exploit to absolutely use their ignorance of the law as a way to search you and possibly arrest you.